T level is BSE, which stands for Building Service Engineering. On that course, we learn about plumbing, gas and water. So we do the practical here and just do training at college. I prefer hands-on to more writing down. Good for me, it gives me the experience. Yeah, I feel welcome at the college and here. Part of the T level we've got 3 options, there's electrical, gas and plumbing. And at the start of your second year, it's a special, so you get to choose which one you want to do, and I'm most confident on choosing gas. When I first came here, I was quite shy, and as I got into it, got to have a crack with people, and it just really put me into it now, so I really enjoy being here.